A large part of my research is about program impact evaluation, and randomised encouragement design is a technique that we're using currently in an evaluation of UOW's PASS program. So whilst we're only halfway through the study, the results are quite encouraging. It looks like PASS works. It looks like PASS increases grades just like everybody, wanted it to.
We're trying to understand what causes neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease and motor neuron disease, and we do that by, so our patients donate some skin cells, and we convert those cells into stem cells and then convert those cells into neurons and study them in a dish. So we're trying to understand why those particular neurons die in those types of diseases. So we can generate stem cells from skin cells that they're donated by adult patients. So this is a really new way that we can start to build potential models for disease, but also to remind people that not all stem cell research has ethical issues.
Our research is really focused on trying to improve the physical health of people who are living with a severe mental illness. So the health of people living with severe mental illnesses is really quite poor. So on average, the average life expectancy is about 15 to 20 years less than the general population. And physical health problems are really the largest contributor to these early death rates for this population. So our research is really focused on trying to improve their health through helping them to reduce their smoking, improve diet and increase physical activity.
My presentation will be to develop a lightweight and highly efficient superconductor technology for the next generation wind turbine generator. You know that now the world's big problem is the energy crisis. So if we can contribute something to solve this problem, it will be great. And we are working at our institute just to deal with the superconductor, and we are using the superconductor for everyday use.
So what I want to do is make people understand what audio can do better than any other medium and how it can translate scholarly research even and make it more accessible. Audio is excellent at conveying emotion, and emotion links to cognition. In other words, we retain knowledge more if there's an emotional factor involved. Neuroscience has shown us that. So where we have stories and research that involves an emotional aspect, such as the pain of racism or fear in war or any of these kind of elements, I think audio needs to be used more to actually translate scholarly research. It's much better than print, and I think it trumps television.